It's almost Christmas time, and Heavenly Bake Shop is busy making cookies, pies, cakes. They're great. Today we've got an opportunity to speak with the owner and head baker, Steve Cooper. Let's go find him. We're here with Steve Cooper, owner and head baker at Heavenly Bake Shop.
Hi, how you doing?
Very good. How long have y'all been here?
Well, we've been here about 15 years.
And give me an idea of what all you bake.
Well, this is a full-line bakery. We bake everything from bread to pastries to pies to cakes, everything you find in a bakery. We do a ton of fritters. People love the fritters.
That's my favorite.
And then you get in the summer when we do the Cronuts. I just can't keep enough of them in the store.
What's a cronut?
Oh, okay. The Cronut it was invented by a guy in New York, in a New York bakery. It's a cross between a croissant and a donut. Okay?
Oh,
And it's my Cronuts have 324 layers in each one. Okay, so they're flaky inside, they're filled with a filling, and they have cinnamon sugar on top, and they're topped with a topping of either chocolate or vanilla.
One of my clients, born and raised in Germany, comes here and swears by your bread.
Right.
Tell me a little about your breads.
Well, the bread that's why, it's funny you say he's from Germany. I was taught by Cindy's grandfather, who was a baker in Hamburg, Germany. Okay, and he migrated to the United States and had a bakery here, and we wound up buying the bakery from her grandfather, and he taught me how to bake.
Now, I've had your key lime. It was delicious, and I'm a key lime free.
Right.
What's your most popular pie?
Two. We have two most popular pies. One would be the caramel apple walnut, which people go crazy over. My favorite, and it's a close second, I think, to the caramel apple walnut, would be the fruits of the forest.
Okay, I don't know about that one. Tell me about the fruits.
Okay, the fruits of the forest is a pie. It's made with all the berries. Okay, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, all the berries, some apples, and a little bit of rhubarb, just for a little bit of tartness in there. And it's phenomenal. If you eat it, you'll probably not want any other pie.
Steve, I really appreciate you having us here today. Thank you.
Oh, thank you for coming. I appreciate it.